Hello all, welcome to Money Text Group. In this video, we are going to learn about process route involved in manufacturing 95% cotton, 5% spandex, single jersey, solid dyed fabric with biowash and its fabric costing methodology. Process route. First, let's see the number of process involved in manufacturing 95% cotton, 5% spandex, single jersey, solid dyed fabric with biowash. Number 1. Hosiery yarn. The yarn which is used for knitting are called as hosiery yarn. Number 2. Knitting. The process to convert the yarn into fabric. Number 3. Slit open. The knitted gauge fabric will be in tubular form. To do heat setting, the fabric needs to be in open width form. So it is required to do slit open before heat setting. This process can be eliminated if the gauge fabric is knitted using open width knitting machine. Means the gauge fabric will get wound onto the takedown roller in open width form. Number 4. Heat setting. To impart dimensional stability to the fabric. Number 5. Overlocking. To convert the fabric again to tubular or rope form and are suitable for dyeing in soft flow dyeing machine. Number 6. Scouring with biowash followed by dyeing in rope form using soft flow dyeing machine. Number 7. Slit open. Since the fabric is processed or dyed in rope form, need to be slit opened for softener padding and drying. Number 8. Stenter. The open width fabric is softener padded and dried using stenter. Number 9. Compacting. To arrest the fabric shrinkage in the fabric based on the bias protocol. Number 10. Inspection and dispatch. This process route and costing methodology are common for the below fabric qualities too, with contents like cotton spandex, cotton polyester spandex, viscose spandex, cotton viscose spandex, cotton modal spandex, tensile spandex, etc. For the fabric qualities like single jersey with spandex, slub jersey with spandex, single tuck PQ with spandex, double tuck PQ with spandex, triple tuck PQ with spandex, 1x1 rib with all feeder spandex, mini waffle with spandex, double face rib with spandex, 2x2 rib with all feeder spandex, miss waffle with spandex, tuck waffle with spandex, interlock with spandex, double face interlock with spandex. Fabric costing methodology. Before doing any fabric costing, it is mandatory to know the number of processes involved in the particular fabric quality manufacturing, and process loss will happen in each and every process. Number 1. Need to consider the yarn price based on the yarn count and lycra percentage which we have used in that particular fabric quality. Regarding yarn, whether it may be a combed yarn, corded yarn or compact yarn. Regarding lycra percentage, whether it may be 5%, 8% or 10%, whatever may be the requirement. Example, if the lycra content requirement is 5%, then the yarn price need to be considered as spun yarn cost into 95% and lycra cost into 5%, and both these costs need to be summed up. Number 2. Need to consider the knitting cost. Number 3. Need to consider the heat setting cost. Slit open, heat setting and overlocking cost will be considered under heat setting cost. Number 4. Need to consider the biowash cost. Number 5. Need to consider the dyeing cost. Scouring, dyeing, slit open and stenter cost will be considered under dyeing cost. Number 6. Need to consider the compacting cost. Number 7. After summing up all the above 6 costs, need to consider the process loss happened in each and every process like knitting loss, heat setting loss, biowash loss, dyeing loss based on the shade we dye, and there won't be any loss in compacting. Number 8. If any transportation is involved, need to consider the freight charge based on the distance need to be covered for delivery. So far, what we have seen is the fabric costing methodology for a regular finished fabrics. If any special finish like silicone finish or wicking finish needs to be applied onto the fabric in wet on wet technique, means special finish is applied onto the fabric when the fabric is in wet condition as soon as it comes from slit opener. These special finish cost depends on various factors such as the chemical manufacturer we source, the percentage of the concentration we apply and finishing process condition. So it is always better to contact the concerned team or the concerned person, means the senior person who does costing on regular basis or fabric sourcing team or the fabric supplier who does this finish for the special finish cost, and it can be added directly along with the fabric cost calculated for a regular finished fabric earlier, and no need to consider any loss percentage here. Any special finish like DWR, durable water repellency, or liquid softener finish needs to be applied onto the fabric in dry on wet technique, means the special finish chemical will be applied onto the fabric when the fabric is in dry condition. So the fabric needs to be passed in the stentor twice. Initial pass is for the drying and the second pass in the stentor is for the special finish application. So along with the special finishing cost, need to consider the refinishing cost also. That is, the second time stentor pass cost need to be considered. Even this cost need to be taken from your concerned team or the concerned person as mentioned earlier. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share. Please post your comments in the comments box. Catch you all in the next video. Till then, bye from Money Text Group. Bye bye.